Can you get your non-Jamaican child a Jamaican passport? Yes, you can. I get this question a lot. I'd like to get my child a Jamaican passport. However, what we are not saying is I'd like to get my child, my non-Jamaican child, Jamaican citizenship. In order for you to get a Jamaican passport for your foreign-born child, your child must first become a Jamaican citizen. You have to jump through that hurdle, and that could take 3 to 6 months, depending on what city you're in. Doesn't matter where in the world you are. As long as you're Jamaican born, your child is eligible for Jamaican citizenship, but you must apply for it. It is not automatic. So once you get the citizenship, then you may apply for the passport. In some cities, you may apply for the passport and citizenship simultaneously by going in person with the application. In the UK, they have an expedited citizenship process. I don't know how fast that is now, considering the influx of applications that have been going to the passport office. However, you may apply simultaneously in person by making an appointment. This goes for London, it goes for New York, and potentially Miami. Anyway, if you have any questions about obtaining Jamaican citizenship for your non-Jamaican born child and you are Jamaican, DM us, call us, WhatsApp us, just contact us. If you are the adoptive parents of non-Jamaican kids, so you adopted kids, you're Jamaican, you adopted kids, the kids are not Jamaican, they are also eligible because that counts as descent. So if your child is adopted, you are Jamaican, it counts as descent. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.